Maybe you have one little piece.
Don't hit your fittings.
Actually, I almost want to take this off real quick.
Do it.
I feel like that'll give me a better entry. Okay. Down.
Got it.
I think that's it.
Yep. Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah, oh, shit. These guys that do that shit every fucking day. You do that shit?
Well,
I mean, it felt like just some silicone was hanging it on there. That's it.
it's a piece.
That's it.
This is the last
piece.
piece.
I told you were close.
Amazing. Can't believe it, honestly. Once we get going, could never have done it without you.
You brought the muscle and the hustle, buddy. You busted up your first cast iron tub. It's not a